how to fix the disk management error where it says that there's not enough space available on disk. So that error usually appears when we try to extend or create a partition, but Windows cannot find unallocated space next to that partition. So we can just go over and check for unallocated space. Press Windows plus X for that and go to disk management. Hit enter and cut for a black colored space labeled as unallocated. So here, look out for disk management, wait for this to load up first. And there, look out for black colored space, something like this. And there, if there is no unallocated space, you cannot extend the volume. So we can create unallocated space. So you can right click on partitions such as E or D, and you can look out for the option called shrink volume and click on it. And Windows will basically create out the unallocated space for you. And ensure the space next to the partition, so Windows can only extend a volume if the unallocated space is immediately next to it. So you can just go and check it out. If that happens, we need to delete or move the middle partition. You can look out for the middle partition, right click on it, and basically go ahead and look out for delete volume and delete it. And you can also use disk part command. So close this off for now, go to Windows plus X. You can look out for terminal admin, hit enter and open it up, give access, and type in this command. One is disk part, hit enter. Another is list. After that, it will show us the partition. So go ahead and type in list volume and hit enter and wait for this to be completed. After that, you can just go over and type in select volume X, Y, Z. Just go and type in, hit enter and click on extend, and you can replace X with your volume number. That is also possible. And that is it. The unallocated space is not directly beside the partition you want to extend. That may be the common reason why you are not able to move partition and extend the drives easily. So you may follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.